Have you ever wondered how websites are created? If you are interested in understanding how websites are created, how to develop the websites, and if you are interested to come in IT industry for web development, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to explore the step-by-step process of web development and what is actually involved in web development, and we are also going to discuss why this skill is important in today's age. Web development is very useful skill in 2024 if you are interested in making your career in IT industry, or if you want to start your own web development company or agency, then this skill will be really helpful for making your career ahead. Please watch this video till the end, and even if you are new, watch this video till the end. I am going to explore the complete beginner's guide for web development, where you can understand what exactly you need to learn and how you are going to enter in the world of web development. Welcome guys. In today's session we are going to talk about web development and how it is important in today's age. We need to learn different skills and techniques for web development, and I am going to explore which are those skills you need to learn for entering in the world of web development. Hello, I am Dr. Mukund Kulkarni, working as a programmer coach for last 20 years. I have also trained more than 5,000 students for programming, and they are working at good positions in IT industry. In this session, I am going to explore what are the things you need to learn to enter in the world of web development. Web development is a process of building websites and web applications. It involves writing code that tells browser how to display your web page. Web page is always displayed in a browser, and browser understands only HTML to display your website. So you need to learn HTML code, how to write HTML code for displaying different things on web page. The foundation of web page is HTML. HTML gives description to web browser to display the content of web page. It includes its structure, tables, paragraph, text, links, images. Everything is described by HTML to browser, and then browser displays your web page. Normally web page has two parts, one is header part and another is a body part, and your entire content is a body part. HTML is a tag based language, and it doesn't require a separate compiler because HTML tags are directly processed by your browser. All standard browser knows how to use HTML and how to display the content given by HTML. You can view the code of HTML just by using view source option of your web browser. Just right click on any web page and click on view source, and you will get the entire HTML code of that particular page in front of you. And if you know what is the meaning of different tags, you can understand what exactly this web page is displaying. And you need to learn different tags, its attributes, its values, and then you can use it. Nowadays you don't need to write entire HTML code from the scratch. There are some tools available where you can use drag and drop options, and automatically HTML code will be developed behind the scene. So you don't need to write each and every line of HTML. Most of the HTML code will be generated by different code editors available and designing tools available in the market. In other videos we are going to talk about different editors those are available to build your web page, where you don't need to write HTML code. And if you want to write HTML code, you can simply open any notepad and you can type your code and save the page as a HTML, and you can reopen this HTML page in any browser and you can see the content. In another video we will discuss how to write a simple web page by using HTML and by using simple notepad without using any standard code editor. The next thing you need to learn is the CSS, cascading style sheets. Now this is another language which describes how to display the content. It describes the styles, the way it is represented, your content. Now CSS will make your content attractive and it will be more appealing to the viewer, and therefore CSS is very important to make your website more attractive and user friendly. Third important thing that you need to learn is a JavaScript. Now JavaScript is a scripting programming language, and its main purpose is to make your web page dynamic. It will add some dynamic elements like pop-ups. It can have some small animations on your page, and even it can be used for validating data those are which is entered on web form. JavaScript is used to add dynamic elements on your web page. It might be a small animation, or it might be a simple button that behaves differently when you click. So if you want to make your page dynamic and something happening on your page, then you need to use JavaScript. JavaScript is also used for making pop-ups or creating some effects on your page, and it can be also used to validate your HTML forms where user is going to enter some data. The JavaScript code is also known as a client-side code because the entire JavaScript code will be available to your client browser, and anyone can see the code written in JavaScript. Next important thing we need to understand, nowadays websites are being viewed on mobile phones. So with the rise of using mobile phones to watch websites, we need to take care that design of the web page should remain intact even if you are watching on mobile phone. If you see the data available, more than 50% websites are viewed on mobile handsets because it is very handy and immediately anyone can go and watch the websites, and therefore you need to take care that your website is visible properly on mobile handsets. For this purpose, you need to make your website responsive. A responsive website is a website that displays differently on different screen size. But even though you are changing screen size, you can have a proper design on each screen size. So different design on mobile, different design on your tab, and different design on your desktop application. So everywhere you need to ensure your website is attractive and effective for user. There are many frameworks available in the market. Those are useful to develop your website so that your web page is visible properly on different sizes. For example, Bootstrap, WordPress. Now these are different frameworks available in the market where those can be helpful for you to develop your web page, and automatically your web page will be responsive and it will be attractive too. I am recommending to learn Bootstrap, React, Angular and WordPress if you really want to develop good and powerful web pages. So after learning HTML, CSS, you need to learn Bootstrap, WordPress, React and Angular. The web development is a collaborative process that offers endless opportunities for your creativity and innovation. If you really want to develop your career as a web developer, then I recommend learn all those skills, practice them and try to use them professionally and more attractive way. In this session, we have discussed about web development, but there is one more phase that comes before web development, and that is web designing. Most of the time, people gets confused about web development and web designing. Actually, web designing is totally different from web development. Web designing is making a layout and ensuring what exactly you want to display from designer's point of view. And once your layout, your design is ready, then your web development process starts where you are converting your design in actual happening. In next video, I am going to tell you exact differences between web designing and web development. Which are tools those are useful for designing, which are the tools those are useful for development, and what exactly different skills we need to learn, and what will be the outcome of web designing and what will be the outcome of web development. All those points we will discuss in next video. I hope this video is very useful for all of you and you have got lot of values from this video. Make sure that you are implementing every step that I have given in this video. If you really want to make your career in web development, start to learn from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then you have to also learn different frameworks like Bootstrap, WordPress, React and Angular, and by using all of them you can develop your web pages or web applications. Wish you all the best for your entire career. And if you are not part of my community yet, then I have given the link in a description. Join my web development community where I am going to teach how to design and develop websites, how to use SEO for getting more traffic, how to get work for web development, and by joining my community you can also start your own business, and within 90 days you can start earning money with the help of web development and digital marketing. If you are really interested and make your career, you can join my community where I am going to teach personally, and every week I am going to assign a hackathon where I am getting work done from my students that will be really useful in a professional journey of web development. So let's discuss what is the exact difference in web designing and web development in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.